morning, I went to the faucet, turned it on, nothing.
Like the fiber cut at LBJ Hospital in Houston, strikes to certain water lines can adversely impact public safety. When water systems are down, so are water supplies for firefighters.
On any house fire or building fire in the northeast end of our city, we would send the normal run assignment along with 2 additional tankers to shuttle water.
We've received approximately 250 calls in about an hour. The pipe is split. The whole 20-foot section is split.
The impact of these waterline damages range from simple inconvenience to traffic disruption to property damage. Even a tool used to provide worker safety can be an instrument of damage, as this crew in Concord, New Hampshire found out when their trench box fell onto a water main in an open excavation. An apparent mislocate of a gas line in response to a middle-of-the-night water main break resulted in city crews damaging the gas line, which forced the evacuation of 20 homes until the all-clear was given at approximately 10 o'clock the next morning. Of the incident, the North Ridgeville mayor claimed the gas company mismarked one gas line by about 6 feet, and when we dug, we hit it.
We had 5 security guards in our dorm room, so they were banging at our door. Rushed out, said gas leak, building's gonna explode.
Fire alarms are going off, and we walk outside, and there's a massive noise of gas leak going on. The whole street's blocked off, as you can tell.
A city water and electric crew struck a 6-inch gas main while digging on Saturday morning.
It's a high-pressure line. It's a very large line, approximately 30 pounds per square inch, very forceful as it comes out.
Based on the marking, they were off somewhere in the vicinity of about 3.5 feet.
Due in great part to the depth of the damaged main and the inability to shut off the flow of gas, the gas company worked into and through the night on the repair of the line. Residents were offered shelter in an evacuation center 10 blocks away. Located just outside of our nation's capital, construction crews working at the site for a new library in downtown Silver Spring hit a 3/4-inch gas line with a backhoe. 65 first responders kept the area safe while gas company personnel cut off the line, which was determined to be a residential service to a home demolished some time ago. Initial reports of this accident indicated that the backhoe had struck a 4-inch line, seemingly suggesting that the gas company did not have the location of the service on its records, resulting in the line not being located.
The old stuff that we're replacing with the new, you'll end up hitting it because they don't know where it's at. They can't locate it. It's not on their maps.
I don't know what's going on.
With gas, it's terrible.
Although there are plenty of red and orange marks, video from the scene of this gas line damage seems to support the excavator's claim that the damaged 4-inch line was not marked. The resulting leak shut down busy DC streets, which in turn resulted in the cancellation of a talk by the governor of Louisiana featuring Republican alternatives to the Affordable Care Act.
I don't play when it comes to gas.
It was very loud, hissing, very loud, like almost like a water gush coming up, you know.
And then we tried to go back in and the fireman said the building could blow up.
During their time without water service, these residents were less interested in the Affordable Care Act and more interested in the Portable Care Act.
It's a private service line that was damaged by horizontal drilling.
The repair of the water line was delayed due to the shipping time needed for delivery of a new backflow preventer.
I ended up renting a motel room last night, and I might have to do it again tonight.
While a delay impacted these residents' lives, delays in providing vital utility location information for excavators can produce dangerous consequences. There are about as many reasons for locating delays as there are for the lack of consistent use of good construction practices. Since fiber install projects and utility upgrades are on the rise, 2015's 811 call volume may pale in comparison to that in the years ahead.